Hey guys, this is Mike with Desert Cities Home. So today I want to share with you this new listing that's coming up on the market. It's actually only for lease, and this is only for $1,950 a month, and it's going to have 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and in a beautiful community of Spanish Walk. If you haven't been here before, it's definitely a neighborhood you want to check it out. It's close to the highway, close to all the services, close to the Xavier High School. So if you're a teacher, if you're a parent who doesn't want to drive too far away, this is one of the best places to be. So let's go check out this place. This house is an open floor plan. The kitchen has been completely remodeled with new flooring throughout the house, and you have open floor from all the way from the kitchen, dining room, and the living room. So here you have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. So you have a cute little bedroom here they're using for their daughter at the moment. And it's a very nicely decorated, by the way. And also you have a 2nd bathroom here. Beautiful 2-car garage. To learn more, connect with me in social media, call me direct, or visit me online at desertcitieshome.com.